Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today, I'm going to talk about 6 money rules you need to become a millionaire. Let's get into the video. Becoming a millionaire isn't about luck, a high paying job, or waiting for the perfect opportunity. It's about following a set of simple, consistent rules that compound over time. Wealthy people do not rely on chance, they rely on systems. If you study financially successful individuals, you will find that they follow certain principles almost religiously. These 6 morning rules won't make you rich overnight, but they will guarantee you move in the right direction. If you apply them with discipline, consistency, and a long term mindset, becoming a millionaire becomes not just possible but predictable. The first rule is spend less than you may earn. Always. This is the fundamental rule of wealth. Without it, nothing else matters. Most people do the opposite. As their income grows, their lifestyle grows with it. A raise becomes a nicer car, a bonus becomes a vacation, a promotion becomes a bigger home. The problem? Lifestyle inflation makes it impossible to build wealth, no matter how much you earn. Millionaires master the opposite mindset. They lock in a lifestyle below their income level and let the gap grow over time. The gap is what funds investment, savings, and long term opportunities. How to apply it? Cap lifestyle spending at 60 to 70% of your income. Avoid upgrading your life every time your paycheck grows. Use raises to invest more, not spend more. Think of it this way: wealth isn't built by what you earn, but by what you keep. Rule number two: pay yourself first. Automate your wealth. If you try to save whatever is left after spending, you will save nothing. There's always something to buy, always a bill, subscription, or temptation waiting. Millionaires flip the script. They invest first and spend what's left. This is the simplest way to build wealth without relying on motivation or willpower because it's automatic. How to apply it? Set up automatic transfers to retirement accounts, 401k, Roth IRA. Automatically invest a percentage, 10 to 30, into index funds. Treat investment like a non negotiable monthly bill. This ensures the money grows before you ever have a chance to spend it. Rule number three: use debt carefully or not at all. Millionaires understand the difference between good debt and bad debt. Bad debt drains you. High interest credit cards, personal loans or lifestyle spending, car loans for expensive vehicles. Good debt, when used correctly, can grow wealth. Real estate mortgages, small business financing, education that increase your earning ability. The average person uses debt to look rich. The wealthy uses debt to become rich. How to apply it? Avoid financing depreciating assets. Keep credit card balances at zero. Leverage debt only when it creates cash flow or long term value. Build an emergency fund to avoid debt during financial setbacks. Debt should be a tool, not a trap. Rule number four: invest consistently, no matter what. If you study the habits of wealthy people, the pattern is clear. They invest regularly regardless of the economy or stock market conditions. The average person invests only when it feels good, when the market is high, when things seem safe, and they pull out the moment the market dips. This emotional roller coaster destroys their returns. Millionaires takes the opposite approach. They invest during up markets. They invest during down markets. They invest during boring markets. Why? Because wealth compounds through time in the market, not time in the market. How to apply it? Set recurring weekly or monthly investments amounts. Stick to a simple portfolio. Index funds, ETFs, real estate. Avoid impulse buying and selling based on headlines. Increase contributions as your income rises. Consistently beat intensity every time. The fifth rule is protect your money and your mind. Becoming wealthy is half about money and half about behavior. A millionaire mindsets include avoiding scams, staying away from get rich quick schemes, learning before investing, understanding taxes and how to reduce them, using insurance to protect assets, building an emergency fund. Wealth is fragile when you are beginning. One crisis, a job loss, medical emergency, lawsuit, or major expense can wipe out years of progress. Millionaires expect challenges, plan for them, and stay financially prepared. How to apply it? Build a 3 to 6 months emergency fund. Get appropriate insurance, health, renters, homeowners, auto life. Track your finances monthly. Educate yourself continuously about money. Avoid emotional financial decisions. Wealth does not grow when you are constantly putting out financial fires. The sixth rule is increase your income. Don't just cut expenses. You can also cut, you can only cut so much, but your earning potential, that's nearly limitless. Millionaires focus more on building income streams than clipping coupons. They understand that wealth accelerates when income grows faster than expenses. Ideas to increase income: negotiate your salary annually, obtain certification that raises your earning power, start a side business, invest in passive income assets, monetize skills you already have, build digital products or online income streams. Most people underestimate how much extra income would transform their finances. Even an extra 500 to 1000 a month invested consistently can grow to hundreds of thousands, if not millions over time. My final thought is becoming a millionaire is a result of habits, not luck. You do not need a six-figure income. You do not need a massive inheritance. You do not need to be a genius investor. You need systems, you need discipline, and you need time. These six rules create financial foundation that practically guarantees long-term wealth. One, spend less than you earn. Pay yourself first automatically. Use debt responsibility or avoid it. Invest consistently. Protect your money and mindset. Focus on increasing your income. If you follow these rules for long enough, you won't have to chase wealth. Wealth will begin chasing you. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.